using precision glue.
There you go.
Good. I take the red cap off.
There you go.
Right here. Sorry.
Stick to the logo.
The logo. I'm gonna do oh, see, and I have it here. I'm gonna swatch this one. Sarah, when things better, come see me. I'll come see you and Vicky in Michigan for class, and you and Vicky come see us. We have a lot of inquiries in Florida here for the class, so we're gonna have definitely. So I am going to check all the cracks, especially with this nails right here because of my. So this question's for who's asked this question with my hair? I'm sorry if I miss it.
I think it was the last part, the last lie.
The last slide. I'm sorry.
Yeah, but yeah. So right here, this is where you prevent all the catching. Make sure you can run through your hair after this, and if you feel it's still catching, something feels still sharp, make sure to fill up that gap.
There's a lot of going on with this chandelier in the frame, so I'm gonna really like get into it. I am going to get every part of it, and then you can go back again. You don't have to do it all at once because you don't want to flood your crystals. I'm gonna do the next one, and then I will using my twin tip brush and go like around with the edges to clean up all that extra precision glue. So I hope I get it right. Do I get it right on the?
There you go.
Yeah. Okay. Just go in. You feel scratchy. I feel scratchy right here. Squeeze a little bit. Each time you go, you just squeeze a little bit. I don't squeeze it. I just feel it first, then I feel it in, because you don't want to flood your crystals. So you're gonna do a little exam first. Sorry if my hand cover it. It's such a really fun tutorial today. I don't know, it's every night is such a great live tutorial. It's like really therapy to me. I get to be really enjoying with all of you, even though sometimes I miss a lot of comments that I couldn't read because I was down here doing the nails instead of looking up on my screen. And thank you so much for every single of you for the love and support. There's more to come and more giveaway is going on right now, and we'll have more coming up. Sarah's running her giveaway soon in the future, same with Vicky. So really appreciate your love and support for, you know, the whole team. They're working so hard to supporting you as well. So okay, so I am going to give it a quick swipe.
Yeah. Live as 2, you're looking at the screen and like just wow.
Okay, so sorry. The thumb's a little bit harder because it's higher. So I'm gonna give it a swipe.
There you go.
Okay. And then here first. And then same thing with this.
Side one. There you go.
I will post a picture before I put crystals and after, so you can see that. And you can, if the clients like just really nice and classy look, you can do it without crystal placements or a little bit crystal placement. If they want dramatic, which is, I am not gonna lie to you, I have a lot of clients like this look and they're really enjoying it. They want.
Yep, you guys definitely want to see the look before, because that's when she just have pretty much just glitter as look good. But you know, Nancy, as you go live, you're gonna bling it out.
So I bling it out for all of you so you can see. But I have two of them, like one right here and then one right here left, so you can see it.
Right, all good?
Yep, good.
All right, so you're gonna get key for 60.
Second.